Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danelle. If you're new here, welcome. If you have been here, welcome back. So you haven't seen me for a while. The last video you might have seen that I've deleted it. So it was about my story of purchasing a home in Jamaica, but some of the information was too personal for some people, and so I was asked to take down the video or remake the video. Out of respect, I deleted the video, but I'm not here to talk about that in another way. Not yet. I will come back with information on how to go about purchasing. This morning is not in a very quick one, so more generalized, and maybe give just gonna tell you how you can go about contributing to NHT if you're not living in Jamaica, but you're a Jamaican. Forgive my appearance. I was out with the dog this morning, came back, watered the plants, and did some vacuuming. So my neighbor washing the horse, and took a little clip. Yeah, it was really nice. The day is beautiful. It's really nice. I feel really relaxed. But I will go to work later this evening. Anyways, yeah. So how to contribute as a Jamaican living away from Jamaica or living outside of Jamaica, how to contribute to NHT. Okay, so for the record, I am self-employed in Switzerland, right? So my situation might be different from someone who is employed, but I think in general it is the same. So as a self-employed person, I thought, this is just my thinking, and I didn't do any research, so I thought I would have to go to Jamaica, do all my, like, I don't know what I was thinking, do all my taxes and declare up my income here in Switzerland, and then pay NHT income tax and all of that. When I went to Jamaica in January, I did find out, I did go to the registered tax office and found out how to do all of that. So I was on the way to doing all of that. But then during the process of buying the house, we had to go to NHT, and I spoke to the agent there. So I spoke to the agent who was dealing with my mom, and I told her, hey, I want to contribute to NHT. How does it really work? And she said, yeah, you want to contribute to NHT? All right, let me deal with this matter, and then I send you upstairs to my colleague. And then I'm like, okay. And then when we were finished with that, she sent me upstairs. Literally, what you need to contribute to NHT as a Jamaican living abroad is basically money. So how it is in Jamaica, if you are living in Jamaica, you need to have a job, you need to be earning a certain amount, and you need to bring in your pay slip and all of that. As a Jamaican living abroad, you don't need this because you're a voluntary contributor. What that means is you're volunteering to contribute to the trust. So they don't need to see no pay slip, they don't need to see anything, as long as you tell them how much money you can pay per month. So you can, in your own head, you know what your income is per month. You can say, okay, I can afford to pay this, I can afford to contribute this every month. And yeah, you sign up the form. What I did, I signed up the form. Did I have to get a JP to sign? Yes, but my cousin did it. My cousin's a JP, so he signed. I signed up the form, got the JP to sign, brought it in back the next day, and paid my first contribution. That was it. And you, as I said, you have to tell them how much you can afford every month. The account gets matured after 2 years, which means after 2 years I can use my NHT contribution. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So after 2 years, but you can pay in advance. So sometimes I pay for 3 months, sometimes I pay, well, I just started and I pay for 3 months. And also you need to create an account online. That's not hard. So when you go back to Jamaica, if you want to contribute to NHT, go down at NHT. It's on Spanish Town Road. Is it Spanish Town Road? Yeah, it's in Spanish Town, kind of close to RGD. Go down there, talk to somebody, tell them you want to start contributing, but you don't live in Jamaica, and they will send you upstairs, and they'll basically walk you through the process. Make sure you have your NIS, make sure you have your tax registration number, your TRN, make sure you have your passport, your ID, and that's about it. And your money. As I said, you need money, TRN, passport, NIS, and your national ID. Yes, and that's it. Oh, you also need to prove that you are a resident in a foreign country. Doesn't matter which country, once you're not living in Jamaica. So you need that identification as well. You need that proof, which your ID, your residency card or something can prove that you're not residing in Jamaica, that you reside somewhere else. Yeah, and that's basically it. I feel so relaxed. So start contributing. I don't think it's a bad idea. I think it's a good idea. You never know what you might need the money for. You might see a piece of land. You might see one old house you want to fix up, and you can buy it, fix it up, turn it over. You never know. So I would encourage all Jamaicans living abroad, even if you don't plan to go back to Jamaica to live. If you live abroad, that's an opportunity for you to contribute to NHT. There is an opportunity for you to contribute to NHT. Do it. Do it. I don't know what I'll do with mine as yet. I don't know. But it's better to be prepared than unprepared. Alright guys, that's it for now. Very quick video. I am going to remake that purchasing of a house video, and yeah, you'll see it when I post it. Okay, or I might just edit further edit. I might just further edit the one that I have, the old one, and then repost it. Who knows? I'll see. Alright guys, take care. Until next time. Bye.